Major breaking news that everybody that ever wrote WAEC or you're about to write WAEC exam, there is a breaking news. In fact, a game changer that has not been in the system, something that should interest anybody who is a secondary school student or that you are about to write your WAEC. It's important that you listen to this because it's going to benefit everybody. In fact, when I heard this news, I just thought to bring it to you immediately so that you don't need to spend money. WAEC has done something so nice, so marvelous, something that will save you money, something that will benefit all the candidates, especially those of you that did not make your paper in one sitting. Maybe you failed in one subject. Look at what WAEC say. The West African Examination Council has introduced an initiative to enable candidates to retake their West African Senior Secondary Examination papers as early as January and February 2025. Now, WAEC is talking about retaking. Retaking, that is, you wrote an exam, you about 9 papers or 8, and you passed some of them, but maybe you have 1 or 2 papers that you got maybe D7, F9, E8, that you have an opportunity to resit for it. Just pay attention as I give you the full gist. The head of public affairs of WAEC said in a statement that the initiative, renamed WASC PC1, would allow students to resit specific subjects in January and February of 2025. That is to say, if you wrote an exam and you failed 1 or 2 subjects, you have the privilege, the opportunity to resit for the exam. Instead of waiting for next year to register for another WAEC, you can resit that particular exam that you wrote. You will not need to register, you just need to register to resit for this particular one. The difference is that you don't need to write all the 9 subjects again. You will just need to write the 1 or 2 subjects that you did not make. Look at this result now. Maybe you made it and this person made all the papers except mathematics. So it means that while writing the receipt exam, he or she will write only mathematics. If you passed other papers and you pass maybe maths or English or any subject, you can receipt just for that particular one. Just pay attention. Okay, students who assess their results now and realize they need to receipt 1 or 2 papers have until 8th of January to register online through WAEC website. If you don't know how to register, please come under the comment of this video when you have subscribed. If you must have subscribed. When you have subscribed, come under the comment of this video and tell me that you don't know how to register for the receipting of WAEC or our WAEC accredited internet cafes, cyber cafes. Okay, this is very important. The exam will take place on 24th of January to 15th February 2025. They will write the exam so registration is on 8th, right? Then the exam itself will be from 24th January to 15th of February. Okay, that is when those that have 1 or 2 papers to receipt can go and receipt for them. Further noted that students whose results have been cancelled are also eligible to sit for the WAEC for the receipting exam, provided they have not been banned for malpractice. If your paper was cancelled, you can still recite. You can still rewrite the exam, except if you were banned from writing WAEC, which is most unlikely. If you have not been banned, you can receipt if your paper was cancelled. The spokesman, that is WAEC spokesman, direct eligible candidate to register online via WAEC website. If you don't know how to do that, let me know. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and let me know to guide you on how to register. And through accredited internet cafes, that is cyber cafes. This is a very important. WAEC stressed that this approach ensures efficiency and accessibility for participants. Students can now avoid a year-long academic setback thanks to this initiative. Because of this initiative, you will not need to wait for a whole year to resit exam. You don't even need to write all the 9 papers again. You just focus on that one you missed. The West African Examination Council is a regional examination body established by law in which year? 1952. The exams are conducted in English-speaking West African countries, including Nigeria, Ghana, Sierra Leone, the Gambia, and Liberia. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe. When you subscribe to this YouTube channel, I can send you past questions on WAEC. I can send you WAEC syllabus. I can send you the topics to focus on each of the subjects. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and other tutorials right now. Like this video. Then I encourage you to click and watch this particular video, how to improve your handwriting. Some of you failed because you have a very poor handwriting. Okay, and also how to pass any exam in 7 days. Assuming you have just 7 days to prepare for reciting, I've done a video in our channel. Just click, I'll leave the link to this video somewhere. If you also need the link, let me know. Watch this particular video right now.